Here's how to fix Steam closing immediately after opening on your PC. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Next, close Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator prevents Steam from closing due to blocked access to system files or services. Step 2. Clear Steam download cache. Start by opening Steam. If Steam closes too fast, reopen it until it stays open briefly. Click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Downloads from the left panel. Click Clear Download Cache. Steam will notify you that you will be signed out. Confirm the action. Steam will restart automatically. Log back into your account once prompted. Clearing the download cache removes corrupted data that can cause Steam to close during startup. Step 3. Repair Steam service. If Steam still closes immediately, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken background components required for Steam to stay open. After completing these steps, Steam should stop closing immediately after opening. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.